Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. So FETCH.AI seems to be in a pullback, clearly. Okay, the price reached that first wave 3 target there at $1.95 after reacting to the support zone that we had for the wave 2. So third wave likely unfolding. It already reached the first target for this third wave actually, right? Because this is measured based on the initial 1-2 setup. So the third wave should normally get at least to the 138% extension. Well, again, we've arrived there, but the microstructure is somewhat unclear to me. That's what I highlighted in the last video. So at the moment, you know, I'm primarily, and this is only really like micro support. At the moment, I see this as an internal fourth wave in a still unfolding third wave. And I'm watching if the price can find support either at 168 or 160, form one more high in wave 5 of this larger third wave, then start the larger fourth, then continue with the larger fifth wave to the upside. Let me just move these blue upside targets to the right. That's what we would like to see in this larger A wave, obviously to the upside. Yeah. Now, okay, what happens if we break below 160? There are two possibilities then if we break below 160. And first of all, I would consider bullish options because the price actually reached the 138% extension. So I'm being inclined to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt because yes, structures can morph, that can always happen. It's just important to understand what would be the more bearish alternatives, but still bullish, right? Short-term bearish possibly, but still bullish. Either way, the correction is now unfolding anyway. So the question is, where do the bulls turn up, right? And there is one scenario that you already see on the chart. I've already added this support zone for this larger wave 4 here. So it is possible if we really break below the upper micro support, which is really the nearest support area, if we break below that, then I would assume that the price is in the larger wave 4. That would still be a potential impulsive wave count, which means we are going to watch for 5 waves up. But we are already in the larger wave 4, so we might only see one more high after that in the larger fifth wave. And in this case, support would be at $1.52. So more precisely, support at 161 and 152. What happens if we break below that as well? I mean, then it's going to get difficult for the bulls. It could still be that some kind of a diagonal pattern, for example, is unfolding. Yeah, and that is possible because of this unclear microstructure. But because the initial move up looks more like a 5-wave move, I'm inclined to watch or to see this first as an impulsive structure and not a diagonal. But the question is, how deep is the wave 4 that the market is offering? And I would use, when we have two support areas that are overlapping or partially overlapping, then I would always use the lower one for risk management. That's the update about FETCH.AI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.